Ladies?
Are we too loud?
Yes. Don't let me come here again, okay? No, thank you. And I'm just gonna give this to you. Keep up the good work.
What?
And keep up the good work.
No, you.
It's your birthday today, too.
I know, that's why I'm here.
Really?
Yeah, one of your friends sent me. That's for your birthday. Happy birthday. I know you don't know me, but somebody else told me to come and give that to you. It was one of your, I think you know who it was too.
No, I don't.
You do.
Is it Will?
Yes. Yeah, Will sent me to give you that.
No, it's not.
I'm serious, yeah.
Who is Will?
Your friend.
What's his last name?
I don't know, I'm new here.
No, something's happening.
Oh, no, that's, happy birthday.
No,
Enjoy.
I don't even know it's my birthday.
Are you sure?
Oh, 100%.
No, this is, no.
No, it's real.
No, what is the cat?